Welcome, my dear friends. Today we will talk about the size of octahedral void, that is OH void. I told you in previous video that what is an octahedral void. It's basically formed by 6 spheres. For example, हमारे पास एक sphere है, that is this. इस sphere के ऊपर आपके 4 spheres है which are connected to each other. So we have 4 spheres that I am showing you over here that are basically on this blue colored sphere. Now हो गए 5 spheres. Now we have one more sphere on these 4 spheres. I am making it by means of yellow color. So this yellow colored sphere is over these 4 red colored spheres, and these red colored spheres are basically on a sphere that is shown in blue color. The gap in between formed is known as OH void. अब इस OH void का जो साइज है वो आप कैसे निकालेंगे, उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, we will basically take this square section out. That is, you have one sphere over here, next sphere over here, third sphere over here, and you have a fourth sphere. जो मैंने section यहाँ से लिया, except the top sphere and the bottom sphere, you are basically taking this section, that is this. जो बीच में जो void बनती है, we are taking this section. This is called as octahedral void. And to find the size of this void, we are basically placing a sphere on it. Suppose इस sphere का center ये है, इस sphere का center ये है. Once you join these, so you are basically getting a right angle triangle, and this right angle triangle is at point this. I mark it point A. So this is the point B, this is the point C. क्यों ये right angle triangle बन गया? Because अगर आप ये सारे join करेंगे, if you join all these, so ये 4 spheres अगर आप join करेंगे, actually it forms a square, and you know that the diagonals of a square bisect each other, which means bisect perpendicular to each other. So that means that this point A जो यहाँ पे बनता है, this is the right angle triangle, that is the 90-degree angle over here, and you are getting a right angle triangle, that's ABC. अगर sphere का size, sphere का radius जो है, you take it as, if the radius of sphere is capital R and the small sphere का जो radius है, you take it as small r, then while finding the value of small r, you are in other words finding the radius of octahedral void. So we are now going to find the value of small r, which means the radius of small sphere which is in the void, in turn gives you the radius of void, or we can say size of void. So how you can calculate it? You take the right angle triangle ABC. So in right angled triangle ABC, which is right angled at A, so applying Pythagoras theorem, we get, so what we have, BC is hypotenuse, that's equal to AB square plus AC square. So we can write over here is BC square will be equal to AB square plus AC square. This implies BC is basically equal to, this is R and this is R, R plus R is basically 2R, so we have 2R whole square, and AB is basically equal to this R and this small r, that's R plus capital R plus small r, that gives you R plus small r whole square, and AC is also R plus small r whole square, that you can see from the picture. AC is R plus this small r. Now this implies you can easily find that is 2r whole square will be equal to, यहाँ पे ये 2 times आएगा r plus r whole square. Now we can write r 2r whole square will be equal to, ये जो 2 है हम इसको √2 लिखेंगे, तो ये r plus r जो है अब स्क्वायर दोनों को आएगा. Now this square and this square will go, So you are ending up with 2r जो है वो बराबर आएगा, that is root 2 into r plus r. So root 2 into r plus r. This implies this will be 2 by root 2 into r. ये root 2 divide हो जाएगा. So you are getting r plus r. This implies this becomes root 2 into r. This is equal to r plus r. This implies root 2 into r minus r will be equal to this r. And now ये जो r है, that is radius of octahedral void, this will be equal to 1.414 times r minus this r, because root 2 is equal to 1.414, multiply this r minus this r, so radius of octahedral void will be equal to 0.414 times capital R. This is how we are finding the radius of octahedral void, that is 0.414 times capital R. If you know the radius of sphere, you can easily find the radius of octahedral void. And mind it, this is the approximate radius, because जब आपने स्फीयर डाल दिया था इस वाइड में तो इट एक्चुअली डज नॉट फिल द होल वाइड, यहाँ पे कुछ गैप्स स्टिल रहती है, तो दिस इज द अप्रोक्सीमेट रेडियस which we are calculating over here. I hope you understand it. If you like my videos, please do not hesitate to share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Thank you very much.